Hey, what's up, traders? Guys, listen, this is the first time a video I've done on any kind of cloud mining or video specifically on Genesis mining, but I had some people that were interested in, um, in getting started mining. It's something I've always thought was fascinating, and I'm pretty new to it, guys. So, some of you have been mining a long time. Some of you, you guys have much more profitable ways that you like to do this. Some of you are even building out farms that were, you know, that we're in talks together. But I think I just wanted to do this. This is the open-ended Bitcoin mining contracts from Genesis. I think this is a great deal. I think it's one of the best investments you can make. I'll kind of show you guys why I think that in a second. As far as return on your investment, when I think about comparing things to real estate and the types of capital you have to put in to spin off any type of cash flow, the amount of money you got to put into a rental home, plus maintaining it, dealing with renters, just to spit off $300 to $500 a month on like a single family home type of deal. I mean, mining is just amazing, the ROI. So I wanted to show that in a second. But again, this is the second time I've bought into Genesis Mining. So I think they're probably the best cloud mining operation out there. I trust them. I'm not putting a huge amount of capital into this. So obviously, I'm new to it. And I would rather use the capital to trade anyway. But I think you want to do both, guys. I think if you have a good balance between mining and trading, just a powerful combination. At some point, we're going to be building in our Rhythm platform and working with different mining operations. We've already been in talks with some individuals that we want to partner with and do that. Maybe we'll do an ICO down the road for it. But it's something that I've definitely wanted to get into the business, and I think this is a great way to do it. It's hands off. It's passive. I don't have to buy a bunch of rigs and set them up at my house. I mean, I would never do that. It's just too loud. It doesn't make sense from an energy perspective and the heat, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, guys, these contracts aren't around for long. They usually sell out. They don't start mining these. They don't actually start mining until March. But last time I did this, I think I paid in November. They started mining a month or so ago, and I didn't even check it. And the next thing I knew, I got it spit off $80 in a day, type of thing. So we'll see where it goes. I like it that it's passive and just another way to slowly accumulate Bitcoin. So anyway, guys, I think I have 5 terahash now. What you do is you go to buy hash power. I'm going to add another 10 terahash, which is 10,000 gigahash. So it's a little over $1,500. Open-ended Bitcoin mining contract. I'm going to use Litecoin to pay for this. All right, click continue. There's actually a promo code that I want to use from this guy. I learned a lot from him. He's a young guy. His name's Nick. So I'm going to use his code to get 3% off. He does a good job. Paste that. Validate. All right, your promo code is valid. You get 3% off discount. So it'll be about 23 Litecoin, guys, for me to get an extra 10 terahash. That probably, I think, puts me to 15 terahash total. And I'll show you guys kind of what the profitability looks like. Agree to the terms. Confirm order. All right, so I'm going to send this amount of Litecoin. Well, let's copy the address first. I'm always want to double and triple check when you're sending. Go to one of my Exodus wallets, send to Litecoin address, paste. LTY ends in AQB. LTY ends in AQB. Hey, it looks like that's right. I'm going to send this amount of Litecoin. 1643, you're setting 23.121 Litecoin. 23.121 Litecoin. Alright. Let's give that a shot. Your network fee's 55 cents. That's just amazing. I just sent a wire to Canada. It took over a week. Cost me $40 plus probably another X amount in the conversion to Canadian dollars. 23.12. Alright, let's see how long this takes. Transaction successfully sent. Come back over here. Tapping mining. Dashboard. Boom, 15 terahash. That's amazing, guys. Pleasure doing business with you. Now look at this, 15 terahash. Now this is, again, I'm new to this, so you guys please comment if I'm doing this wrong, but I'm pretty sure I got this right. 15, that's 15,000 gigahash. It doesn't cost me anything. I have no power costs, obviously. 28% pool fee is the best of my knowledge. This is the Bitcoin difficulty, current Bitcoin $1 price, the block reward. And so I've spent about less than $2,500, guys, between this upgrade and the last one I did, I think was for $850. So to get 15 terahash, it cost me about $2,500. Calculate, guys, it's a return on an investment in 150 days. That's unheard of in most investment realms. Especially, I mean, if you're an entrepreneur, guys, you want to talk about building a business, you got to sink capital into plant, property, equipment, lawyers, labor. If you again, back to the real estate idea, if you just want to go buy a piece of property, you're not getting all your capital back that you have to sink into a $250,000, $300,000 home. There's like hardly any investment, guys, where you get your money back like that spits off cash flow in 150 days. And we're not talking about trading. I realize that if you put that same amount of money in to Bitcoin, we've seen these rallies where you can double in several weeks. But you guys got to realize, look at Ethereum. It's went sideways for 4 or 5 months, right? You're going to still be getting coin. It's nice to just have that asset that spins you off coin and spins you off something that has value or cash flow. So you want to trade it around, but this is important too. So I mean, look at this. Some of these return, guys. It's $16 a day, almost $500 a month, $6,000 a year. So instead of going out, if you want to buy a new car, say a Mercedes or a BMW, instead of going to paying, cash for that car, you do something where you buy an asset like this. Whether you're buying rigs, doing some cloud mining like this, and use $2,500. This basically spins off $500 a month. That pays for your car, guys. That's the way to do it. Anyway, that's where I'm at in this. I thought I'd do a video. I think that helps some of you. I'll put, guys, in the description my promo code if you want to get started with these guys. Again, I think it's worth putting a little bit of money in and see how it goes. But yeah, I'll put the promo code in. Gets you guys 3% off, anybody that wants to do this. And I'll get you guys some videos on maybe on the Bitcoin charts a little bit later on what we're thinking. So anyway, guys, hope that helps. If I don't talk to you, have a great Thanksgiving. And yeah, I guess happy mining. Talk to you guys later.